Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So, a lot of you guys must be wondering why I didn't upload any videos for the last 1 week, and I already made a community post about it. But if you already don't know, our team Binary Search went for the Amritapuri ICPC regionals, and although we could not qualify for the Asia West finals, but we were able to secure a pretty decent rank of 42 among all the teams that participated. So yeah, it was a very great experience, and now we have our eyes on the next ICPC event. So let us hope for the best for the next event, and let us quickly start with today's problem. So in this video, we are going to discuss the Geeks for Geeks problem of the day, which is minimum steps required, and it is a medium level problem. Although I believe this problem is fairly simple and you just need one observation to solve this particular question. So the problem statement says that we have been given a string consisting of only two characters A and B, and we need to find the minimum number of steps to make the string empty by removing consecutive A's and B's. So let me just explain you with the help of a sample test case. So this is our first test case, and here we have B, B, A, 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 B, B. So by removing consecutive A's and B's, we mean like I can remove these two B's which are together. I can remove these two B's which are together in a different step, but I cannot remove these two B's and these two B's which are separated from each other in a single step. Right. So this is what my question says. Now, if you carefully see, the question mentions that there are only two types of characters, A's and B's. So this particular statement is very important. So why is this important? If I remove any one character, let's say I remove all the A's, then I'll be left with only B's, right? So all of the string will be left like this. There will be only B's. So it can be 0 till n number of B's or any number n. Yeah, this is just some general number n. So there will be some number of B's left, right? And if it is A, if we try to remove B and keep A with us, so all the things that we have is A only, right? So this is our general idea. So how does this help us? So if I remove any one of the characters, I will need exactly one step to remove all the other characters, right? So if I remove all the B's in some way, then I have all the A's together. I'll need only one step to remove all these characters. If I remove all the A's in some way and I have all the B's remaining together, then I'll need only one step to remove all the B's, right? So now the next question is, what is the minimum number of steps you can remove either A or B, right? So we will just try to remove B first, and then we'll try to remove A, and then we'll check what are the like steps required to remove B, what are the steps required to remove A, and take the minimum of it. So for example, if my string is like this, B, B, A, B, B. So you just need to find the number of times consecutive B occurs. So in this case, it is 2. The number of times consecutive A occurs. So in this case, it is 1, right? So this is the first B, this is the second B, and this is the only one A, right? We need to take the minimum of it, the minimum of 2, 1, and add 1 to it, right? So this would be our final answer. Why? Because I've extracted all the single type of characters, either A's or B's. Now only the other character will be remaining, so I just need one step to remove all the occurrences of that particular character. So this would be our solution. Now let me just show you how to implement this particular thing in the code. So what I've done is, like, I've initialized two variables, count A and count B, and I've initialized both of them to 0. So this will store the number of consecutive A's and the number of consecutive B's, right? Now if the first character is A, I increment count A, and if the first character is B, I increment count B, right? And I just start from the first index till it is less than string dot size. So I just check if the current character is equals to the previous character. That means I am currently in the previous same segment and I have not encountered any new segment. As soon as I encounter a new segment, so if this condition is false, I'll come to this part, and if the new segment is A, right, or if the new segment consists of A's, I'll increment the count A variable, otherwise I'll increment the count B variable. At the end, after this for loop is completed, what I'll just do is I'll take the minimum of count A and count B, which is, if the number of segments in count A is minimum, then I'll take that. If the number of segments in count B is minimum, I'll take that. And if I remove any one of them, only the characters which are of the same type will be remaining. So I can remove all of them in one operation, and that is why I add 1 for my answer. So I can just return this particular value and this will be my final answer. So this would be the solution of today's problem of the day, the new steps required. And this wasn't a medium level problem, but I felt that this is a very simple level problem if you encounter it somewhere else. So I hope you guys were able to understand the solution. And till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.